Hey you all, welcome to the Mindful Plate. It's Shelly Wellness here, and today we are going to be making fresh, healthy, homemade juices. Now we're making juices because some of you have been asking me, Shelly, I'm trying to eat more healthy and drink less of the sugary juices throughout the day. What can I drink? Well, I got you. We are going to be making two juices that are made from just ordinary ingredients that you could find at your grocery store, growing in your garden, and we're gonna turn them into some extraordinary juices. And of course, it's gonna be delicious because you know I don't play those games. Everything has to taste good if it's gonna be sustainable. And I'm gonna show you how to whip it up really quickly in a blender, and then you can bottle this and drink this instead of all the processed foolishness that you've been drinking. Let's get into it. Hey, I'm your host, Shelly Wellness. I'm on this journey to elevate our consciousness around food, and I invite you to join me. On this channel, I'll share recipes created with mindfulness, rooted in wellness. Welcome to the Mindful Plate. So the first juice we're going to be making is a spiced cashew carrot punch. Now this juice takes its inspiration from Jamaican style carrot juice. Jamaican style carrot juice uses a lot of warming spices and milk. Now we're not going to be using milk because this is a plant-based vegan version, and we're going to start with carrots. Next, we're gonna add in some turmeric. That's gonna add some nice added health benefits as well as beautiful rich orange color. And then we're gonna add some ginger. This ginger is gonna add a nice zing to our carrot punch. And then instead of milk, we're gonna be using cashew milk. Cashew milk is something you can make very, very easy. You literally blend cashews and water together, no straining involved, or you can buy it in the store if you want to. Now for our sweetener, we're gonna be using condensed milk, but we're not using the dairy cow condensed milk. We're gonna be using coconut condensed milk. The flavor is kind of slight with the coconut. It's not very strong at all, but the sweetness is definitely there. And we're gonna add some cinnamon and nutmeg for those nice warming spices. And then to bring it all together, we're just gonna pour in some water and blend. When it comes to blending, the longer the better, because I'm not going to strain this, and so I wanna reduce that carrot pulp down to a very, very fine bit. That way when I drink it, it doesn't feel too grainy or too weird. However, if you do wanna strain this, feel free, it's completely up to you. So what I like about this juice, it's not fussy. This juice doesn't require any straining. It doesn't require a juicer. All we do is put everything in a blender and boom, look at this. We got juice. And so for those of you who feel like, you don't want any carrot bits, I'll tell you this, if you blend it long enough, you're not gonna have to worry about carrot bits. It's not grainy, it's actually pretty smooth. And so I like it because I think it's important to have fiber all the time. We need as much fiber as we can. And so this is the way to get that fiber in the juice. Every time, it never fails. Ooh, this is so good. Listen, if you want something to hug you going down and just kiss you all right here, that ginger and that cinnamon just start talking to you right here. I love this. But y'all, we're not done. We have one more juice to make. We're gonna make our Seamoss ginger turmeric lemonade. Let's get into it. So this Seamoss ginger turmeric lemonade is just as easy as our spiced cashew carrot punch. Everything goes into the blender. So we're gonna start with lemon juice. If you've seen my Seamoss video, then you already know how to make this easy Seamoss gel. So we're gonna add a little bit of Seamoss into this. Then we're gonna add in some ginger. And then we're gonna add in some turmeric. And for our sweetener, we're gonna be using maple syrup. Back in the day when I used to make lemonade, I always used white sugar. And I encourage you, if you're using white sugar to sweeten your drinks, stop it. Start using maple syrup, agave nectar, coconut nectar. Find some alternative sweeteners that are not gonna spike up your blood sugar and potentially cause some dis-ease in your body, and try using some more natural-based sweeteners. And then to bring it all together, y'all, water. But of course, remember, use a good quality water, like a spring water, a purified water. Don't use the tap water. Trust me, don't use the tap water. We already saw what happened in Flint, Michigan. I know I said that before in a previous video, but I'm so serious. Just use a high quality water. And then we blend, y'all, and you just wanna blend this until your ginger and your turmeric are completely broken down. So here it is, y'all. It's all ready. Now this does produce a lot of foam. If you let it rest long enough, the foam will break down. But if you're in a rush, just make sure that you kind of take off some of the foam and then you can pour it into your container. Wow, I love that ginger in there. Oh, that's so nice. This is perfect. Y'all, these juices literally are on rotation in my fridge. This is what I tend to drink in addition to water. If you like these juices, please like the video. And if you want to see more videos on how to make natural homemade juice, I have so many more recipes, so let me know in the comments and I will make another video. Let me know. And if you want the recipe with the exact measurements for what I use in these juices, you already know. Sign up for the newsletter, y'all, because that's where the goodness is. Every Tuesday, I give you the exact recipes that I use to make everything you see on this channel, plus more mindful eating tips. All right, y'all, until next time, eat well and be well.